Just got your first metal print and it feels rough? Don't panic. This is just the raw black. Its final look, it's up to you. Standard sandblasting. This is our free default process. It creates a uniform matte finish that feels smooth, the go-to for functional parts and prototypes. Advanced polishing. Want a bling-bling polished or mirror finish? We can do that. But note, it can't reach complex internal channels. Specialty anodizing. This is the makeup for aluminum and titanium. It increases surface hardness, wear resistance, and adds durable, vibrant color. Performance, heat treatment and CNC machining. Heat treatment relieves stress for stability. CNC machining ensures critical mounting surfaces and holes meet micron level tolerances. From as printed white to precise machined, we offer a one-stop shop to meet all your aesthetic and functional needs. Tell us the final goal. Aesthetic, performance, or both. We can plan the optimal post-processing path for you at the coating stage. Visit our site for post-processing inspiration. Need a customer finish? Email your requirements and model to hello@unionfab.com. Trust the experts. Choose Unionfab. Let's bring your vision to life together.